Hey guys, welcome. So here is the 2025 remake of my 36-inch Hampton base San Marino ceiling fan. This is going to be a dual purpose video. This is going to be a 2025 remake, as well as this is going to be the last video of this fan that you see in this house, because obviously if you've seen my channel recently, we're going to be moving. So we are moving. So this thing, and of course I am taking this thing down. I am taking this thing with me to the new house, and it will be installed in my new bedroom. Unlike the Northumberland, I like this thing way more, so I care about this thing. I have more attachment to this fan than that thing, because this thing was the first I'd say kind of first real fan I got in my collection, my very small collection, which is just this and the two fans in the garage at the cabin. Could also grow if the new fans, if we ever decide to replace the new fans at the new house, but we'll see. So I'll show you the light, and I'll talk about the history with this thing. There's the light. I have this fan hot wired, so the fan is hooked up to constant power up in the junction box, and the wall switch controls the light kit. That's because this is an older house. This house is from the 1950s, so it's even older than our new place. It's a decade older than our new place. The power goes into the junction box, and then so there's power up at the ceiling, and then there's one cable, just a single 2-wire cable that comes down to the switch. So it's a switch loop, because these switch loops were common back in the day. They're not allowed now, because of code now you have to have neutrals at every switch box for smart switches, or just have to have a neutral in a box for various reasons. So, as you can see, this has the integrated 3-light mesh spotlight kit. The 5 blades, reversible from black to rosewood. When I first put this fan up in this room, when I took it down from the kitchen and put it in here, I did have the rosewood blades down. I actually kind of liked it with the rosewood blades. But I also like this black and silver combination a lot better. So I don't know. Although my new room is painted red, so maybe I'll do the rosewood blades on this fan when I put it up in my new room for a while. But that red is gonna go away, because we're gonna be repainting literally every single room in the new house. I'll go ahead and show you the fan. This thing is from January of 2001. There's the labels, flush mounted. Always has been flush mounted since I got it. I did keep the down rod from the Northumberland. I don't know. I think the ceilings are probably the same height in the new house. So I really could put this thing on a down rod if I wanted to. I probably won't, though, because I like when it's flush mounted, because I'm like 6'5", and I have lots of clearance between the fan, the bottom of the light kit, and the fan. The fan and my head. So, and this is like a standard 8-foot ceiling, so. So it started out on medium. It's in reverse for the winter time. Also because my mom's office is in here as well. Because she needs an office now, because she has her job, her new job, except it's not really new anymore. But And you know, she doesn't like this fan blowing air down on her, which isn't gonna be a problem. So it's actually been in reverse for a while. It's been in reverse for a long time, even in the summer. But now it can be it'll be in forward in the summers because she'll have her own separate office in the new house. I'm really excited to be moving. I think the new house. Of course, I've said this before. I'm sentimental for this house because it is the house that I have, you know, grown up in. And I guess it's been. You guys are used to this house too because it's the house that I've always filmed videos in. You've always seen this house too on camera, but of course you've seen other places too when I travel or go to my dad's, but this is the place that you primarily see. Now it's just going to be another rental property that I might film very, very occasionally. There's the light. One of the bulbs, this is actually an IKEA. These two luminous, ever since I've had this fan, these luminous bulbs have always been in this light kit. Except I had to take this luminous bulb out. This is an IKEA bulb, so that's why it's slightly different color. It's slightly different color temperature. Because that luminous bulb I had to take out because I needed a light bulb for, actually that rental property, that little boob light. That's now in the little foyer area of that basement suite. The bulb that was in it actually died, so I was short a bulb because it was an LED bulb, and that was probably partially my fault because I put that LED bulb in that boob light, and it died, so I had to grab another bulb, and so I just grabbed it from here. I'm planning, I think I've explained this before in the vlog. I have two options. Either I might take the fan that's in my room, at the new place, and basically do a swap of them. So this one will go in my new room, and then the fan that's in my new room at the new house will come here, and I'll put it here as replacement stock. Same for in here, except that my stepdad's new office doesn't have a fan in it. But there's one in the master bedroom. There's one in what's going to be my mom's new office. So, I don't know. The other option is I'm leaning towards just buying cheap light fixtures for here and here, pulling both of these down and putting cheap light fixtures to leave in this place. But we'll see. But I end up going with, here's high. I didn't really give you a wind test, but that's fine. Bit of bearing noise. It's a little noisy because it's sat off for a year or two, so it's sat unable to run for a year or two. Again, say what you want about Hampton Bay, but there's stuff from like the 90s, the 80s, and the early 2000s, this is from 2002. Their stuff was actually pretty decent. It's just the modern junk that's not that great anymore. But, the modern, generic, ugly-looking, made-in-China crap. Although this was probably made in China, but it actually blows good air, so it's decent quality. Especially for being a small 36-inch fan with a tiny spinner motor. With a spinner motor. Do a spin down. This thing has a slight shorter spin down because of the bad bearings. Well, I don't know if they're bad, they're just noisy. Yeah, I explained this before. I got this in May of 2018 because of the SMC Scandinavian that was there. And then, of course, I burned out the light bulb. So put this in. High speed didn't work, but then the capacitor died, sat off for 1 or 2 years. Then I fixed it in 2021. And then in August 5th, 2021, I put this fan in here. And then it's been in here for 4 years. So I've owned it. I've owned it for 7 years now. It was in the kitchen for 3 years, and now it's been in here for 4 years. And now it's going to be in my new bedroom for years to come. And it'll be in my bedroom of my own place if I ever decide to move out. I will sometime in the future, but that's going to be a long ways away. Because I don't feel like moving out yet. I'm not ready to move out. I want to work for a few years. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.